let's go.
I lost it.
He might go under his boat. You gotta put some pressure on him. Now let him run. Let him run.
Got him?
He was hung on a rock. He came off the rock.
Oh, cool.
God damn.
You're on video. No GDs. Grandmas don't like that.
Easy on the G-ball.
What? That redfish is wearing him out.
Oh, I love it.
Reel in.
He'll wear out sometime next week.
Yeah, you might have to tighten the drag up a little bit.
Next month, I got him. I'll film it.
You gonna break him off, dummy.
Yeah.
Don't let him go in them rocks. Listen, whenever you dance with a redfish, you have to set the tone early.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, you gotta let him know that he's caught, and he's caught by a man.
You had the 6th grade dance right now.
Yeah. He's leading. You just a little girl dancing with him.
Well, this dance is about to be a mix.
Don't put no slack in the line. You gotta keep constant tension on that line.
Good job.
Damn.
The 5 on that.